the portraits above, please drag your bodies away from the walls and into the dead center of the room, please.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, there are several that need to volunteer. The carriage that will carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world will accommodate you and one or two loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board, please. We spirits haunt our best in gloomy darkness, so remember, no flash pictures, please.
The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic
Send us a
vibrations
message
and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. I'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. I'll be expecting me.
spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Restless bones materialize.
Prices spooks of every size.
Happy thoughts materialize inside and begin to vaporize. Bring those now close your eyes and look very good for the sea. Makes it wild your sight. Drown it in a happy sky.
Hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill out for them, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will release the safety bar, and the ghost will follow you home.
Watch your step, exit to your left.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us.